All right, let's just continue. All right, let's continue. I said it earlier on. So let's continue from where we stopped.
Sir, why break in transmission, sir?
I think it was the application. It only permits me to have 40 minutes. I think 40 minutes, not even spend up to 40 minutes. But it's the application this time. So
okay, because I saw it. Okay.
We are using a free version. If you people can pay, are you going to pay?
No money, Oga.
So I should pay. Should I pay?
No money.
I should pay, Abby.
No.
So let's be. So let's be using our 40 minutes when we have a better gathering. We are going to extend it. Thank you.
All right, it's better like that.
Yeah, so it's better. Yeah. You don't want developers to eat. Someone developed it. I hope you know. It's all right.
Don't worry, Oga.
I have been working as an assistant to the federal government on secretariat issues for the past 20 years, and I have all the required skills.
Hello.
Of this.
Hello.
Can we continue, please?
Hello. Hello.
We are hearing you. Hello. Wow.
Hello.
We hear you.
Please, can you join the class?
We hear you.
And let's continue. Thank you. All right, so can someone give me content? Yeah, give me more content.
Attach here with my credentials.
Okay. Someone has the credentials.
Yes, attach here.
My
credential.
Curriculum writer.
Credential for your perusal.
Is that the spelling of perusal? Can someone?
Perusal. Perusal. That's it.
All right. Thanking you in anticipation. Anticipation. Response.
And your favorable response. Okay. Yours faithfully.
Okay. Your faithfulness.
Your faithfully, not faithfulness. So, okay.
Sorry.
Faithfully.
Then, whose name should we put?
Your name now, okay? Let's put your name.
Your name. All right. Then signature here, right?
Signature. Yes, signature.
All right. So we are going to submit this letter of application to a particular company called N Global Nigeria Enterprises, and we are going to be applying for the position of the secretary, right? Which means, hello, can someone take care of the noise? Let me check.
No,
they should take care of their children now.
Please now.
Now, wow.
You can see that I'm trying my best in order to ensure that we have a better connectivity, but and this should even this should even be a better gathering for us because we have access to see what I am doing on my screen. Unlike we having the typing and typing versa. I'm not a typing person. Exactly. So let's quickly format our letter. Right?
Okay, format.
So we know that all this should be to the right. All the address, Abby, from here to here.
Some will be right, some yes, right.
I mean the writer's address will be to the right. So
Yeah, it will be at the right hand side.
On the right
yes,
side.
there's a particular formatting
Right
feature
side
that's
front.
called tab, right? This indent. There's a particular formatting feature that's called indent.
Yes. Yes.
Just a minute. All right, so there's a particular formatting feature that's called indent. Okay, so we are going to look at
Indent,
it.
yes.
Indent, yes. Let's look at it here. We can increase and decrease. So let's
Increase
increase
indent.
indent.
The
So you can see that it is moving, right?
yes, sir.
So it
Sir, I
has
have
moved
a
to the next
question,
line.
sir.
It has moved to the next line. Just
Yes.
it has moved to the next line.
Sir,
So
I have a
let's
question.
back.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma.
Can't we highlight those address at the distance and move it to the right hand side? Can we do that also?
Exactly. We can highlight everything. I have to do it bit by bit because
Exactly.
some people
Oh,
will tell you you can
okay.
move everything together. But some people will tell you
Yes.
I
When we,
don't understand how you put that black thing. I don't
Please
understand.
come again
okay, that is
about the definition.
Yes. Some will tell you how you put that black thing on top of it. How you give it a black color. I don't understand. Let's do it bit by bit. So you move with
okay, sir.
indents, right?
Okay.
No, we don't want it. We don't want it to get to the next line. So we'll press the backspace.
Okay.
Let's move. Yeah, let's leave it there. We move the second one with
Okay.
increase indents.
Ujoju Briga.
We'll move it with the increasing indents. You move the next one, Ikeja.
Okay.
Let's just move it bit by bit.
Ikeja. Lagos.
But this one sometimes confusing.
We are moving it one after the other now. So how is it confusing?
Some we need to move to another page. Another line, I mean.
It's not moving to another line.
I mean.
You
Yes.
can see it is not moving to another line. This was what we typed now.
Okay, okay.
Eh? All right.
Okay, sir.
All these ones are going to be exit.
Yes, that is where they will be.
But this
Hello,
letter,
sir. Come again. Well, where did you?
this letter of application is supposed to be at the middle. Yes or no?
See, I didn't see how you
At
move
the
to the right
middle.
side. Left hand side.
At the middle, yes.
The right hand. Sorry, the right hand. The right hand. Oh. Sir, please, can you take it back and bring it to the right side?
Okay.
Which one?
Someone said we should bring it back. So it's back like this. We can do it anyway. We can highlight it now and give it right align. We can do it like this. Like me, I don't want to do it like
Okay.
this. I don't want to do it like that. I don't want
But the writer's address is not in order.
Please, let's just
It's not correct.
eh?
Okay, okay, I can see it now.
But the one I highlighted is okay. You just pack everything at once.
Exactly. So whichever way you
Eh,
feel like doing it, let's just do it and leave it. So this address is supposed to be at the center. The best thing to do is to use
Yes.
the center line. Okay. So this particular
Yes.
letter of application, we need it to be bigger than this, Abby. And
Yes.
you
It's
remember
yes.
if you are
okay.
typing with lowercase, it's supposed to be underlined, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Yes, please.
we can increase it,
Yes.
then we'll apply what?
Uh,
Underline.
Underline.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right? Look at it here now.
Since it's
Underline.
written in small letters.
Right? Now this is supposed to start with a paragraph, isn't it?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So we just come here. We can come here and do this.
We use space bar to give paragraph.
Yes, we can use the increase. We can use this one. The reason I don't like using space bar for my paragraph is because if I should use how many space here? Someone is using. I can hear my voice from someone's phone. Please
Now, wow.
ensure the noise is not too much for you. All right, can you all hear me now?
Yes, sir. We can. Yeah, yes. We can. Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I don't like using okay, let's say I use space here. I want 10 line spaces and I will now be doing like this. It doesn't look professional. Is either you use this, right? Or you use tab. There's a particular key on the keyboard that's called tab. If I press tab, you can see that it is moving. So majorly I use tab, the tab key
Okay.
on the keyboard. All right. Then this is
Okay,
another
sir.
paragraph. Okay. All right.
When we are using the tabs, is it once that we're going to press it or twice
As much
for
as
the
you want,
paragraph?
as much you can set your tab. You can set it.
Uh,
Okay. Let me
Just keep on moving now.
okay.
from the ruler. Hello. Let me do it from the ruler up here.
Okay.
Okay.
I can also use
What
this.
are you doing now?
Look at the ruler. I want to move the one.
Yes.
Okay.
To where the paragraph will
Okay.
start, right?
Do you understand?
Yes.
This is what I call hanging indents. I don't want to
Yes.
bother you with that. I can move it like this, right? I can use it to set my paragraph. I want it to start.
Okay. So that it will be in order.
Exactly. I can also do it.
Okay. Okay.
I'll come here. I'll select this. I want it to be on the same line with this. That's the essence of it. You can see that they are both on the same line. Look at paragraph 1 and look at paragraph 2. That they are on the same line. So you can see, and
Okay.
I think what other thing do we need to do? That's just that. So let's do some other things. Let's turn the top.
Hello, sir. Your faithfulness should be at the right hand side down.
Okay. This Abby.
Just faithfully and all those sign, name and everything.
Okay, so let's move it with our ruler now.
Yes. Exactly.
So there are several ways you can do it. There are several things you can do. Just get used to it. But I want it to be on the same line with my address at the top here.
Okay.
So let me just select it. I'm seeing the address from here. Let me just move it to the same line with the address. You can see that they are
Yes.
line.
Exactly. On the same line.
But this is not on the same line. So I can also do the same thing for this. I can as well do the same thing for the one below here. So you can see how I am using the ruler. And basically this is, you just have to practice. There is nothing so new that you cannot do here. So you just have to practice, right? Because when they're asking you all these questions, they won't ask you to do it. They will ask you that what step are you going to take to achieve this? Because it is written, it is not practical. So if you are not been practicing, how do you know the steps
Yes.
to do it? So it has to do with practicing. I can't teach you everything. You have to practice. So our next class, I'm going to take you through. I'm done with the class for today. So our next class, I'm going to take you through how you can use the bullets and the numbering. There's what we call bullets and numbering.
Bullet and number, yes.
And
Asterisk and
Okay.
using
I'll
of
also
asterisk.
do.
So what you click before taking this sign in with the same
All right, and I'll also teach you
the
how.
same line?
Hello. I'll also teach you
Sir,
how you can insert
sir,
tables. So you can see when we get to insert. Anyway, I will use a day.
sir. Please, I would like
Talk
to
about
know
insert.
how you were able to adjust
Which one?
it on the
I think you
writer's
just showed
address, the
us now.
signing.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Please
Oh.
let him excuse you before you talk. Now so that there will be interruption.
Sorry, please. Can you talk? Let me hear you.
Where did you click on?
To achieve what?
Where is that now?
Hello, is anyone talking?
Someone was asking question now. Who is the person?
I can't hear what the person is saying again. I think our network has.
Quickly explain how you use
Someone
the tab.
was asking, how did you move?
Please let's move
Okay.
ahead.
All right, I
Madam
should explain.
Kilode.
No, hold on.
No, nobody is.
Hold
No,
on.
I'm trying to tell the person that is talking to allow the lecturer excuse him before he talk so that he not interrupt.
Hold on, please. Hold on. Let's tolerate. Let's
Hello.
learn to tolerate one another. Hello, please.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma. All right, I think people are
The
having.
Please,
network
let's
is
learn
bad.
to accommodate and tolerate each other. If someone is asking a question, let that person ask the lecturer a question.
Please, I
Then,
think
and I
we
believe
are
that the
having.
person asking a question will all learn, not for you to shut that person up or try to shut the person down.
No. I
If
think
the
our
lecturer
network.
says it's not yet time to ask question, then whoever is asking the question can keep quiet, but not a fellow student asking the person asking a question not to keep quiet for the lecturer to speak. Please, let's learn to tolerate each other. Thank you.
Sorry, madam. Thank you very much. I can understand that some people are having network issues. She might be asking the question and our network is not permitting her. I understand that. So let's just do what we have. If you have any, even after the class, you still don't understand something. Are you getting it? I'm free. You private chat me and ask from others. I still take out of my time
And for people should understand
to explain
this
later.
back, instead of talking rudely that.
Okay, please.
Let him talk, please.
So do we have anybody that have any question, please? I'm going to end the class now.
Madam, your question is
Okay, I should explain how I use the tab. Okay, thank you. That's why I said you cannot always use the mic every time. Whenever you're having problem and you need to get across, you can use the chat window. She just use the chat window and she wants to know how I have used the tab. Okay, when you press the tab button on your keyboard, for example, let me put this. When you press the tab button on your keyboard, eventually what you are doing is you are moving the ruler, especially this hanging indent, this first line indent. You are moving the ruler from where it was to a new location. Let me undo it.
okay.
Please, everybody watch this. I am going to use the tab key on my keyboard. Watch this particular one at the top.
The arrow.
Yes,
Okay.
you can see So whenever I press the tab button, I am instructing this to move from the initial
To
position
move.
to the next one. So
The
let me press the
next
tab again. You
one.
can see that it
Okay.
has moved to this place. If I should press the tab again, you can see that it has moved. Then the second one too is moving. This is for the second one, right? The one here is for the second one. The
Okay.
first one. So if I should press it again, you can see they are both moving. Okay. So that is how I use the tab.
Okay.
But I really don't want to use the tab. I want to use the first line indent so I can move it like this. So this is what we use to set
So that
our
everything will be in order.
margin. Yes. So the ruler is always good because once I click here, I can see the line in it from the top down to the bottom. So if I want it to be here, if I want it to start
Okay.
from the second line here, so I can see the ruler. You can see that the ruler is showing me which part is going across. So if I want to start from here,
Okay.
if I want to start from here, so you can easily move up and down. Okay. So instead of
Hello,
using the
sir.
tab, another option is to use the first line indent. Hello, ma.
What if we are using the ruler and what you are writing is also in the same position as the ruler is? That means there will be no paragraph.
I really don't get
Do
that
you get
question.
my question, sir?
No. Your network is fluctuating.
Where the ruler will be in a particular position. So as you are typing, will this thing, is it indicating the paragraph or what? Because I don't
No.
understand if you are using the ruler.
See what we use the ruler to do for measurement. The first thing, you can use the ruler to set the range at which your typing area is going to start from and where it's going to end.
Begins.
For example, look at this. If I
Okay.
should use the ruler from here, this is the left margin. You can see that between here and here, there is a
Okay.
space. Like when we were in
Oh,
primary school or when we were in
okay.
secondary school, they always tell us to rule a line. That's our margin. Abi, rule a line before you start
Yes, yes.
writing. So this is the
Okay,
line.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
The left hand to you.
Margin.
So that
So
means
you
the
can see
ruler
the
is not,
line.
hello, that means the ruler is not meant for paragraph.
Hello, ma. You can use the ruler for anything. That's what I'm trying to explain.
Okay,
Look at the ruler.
okay,
Look at where it's starting from. Look at where we are starting. So if we should move all
okay.
these things to the back here, it simply means our typing
Okay.
will start from there.
Okay.
So you can see what I can use the
Okay.
ruler to do.
From
If
here.
I move it here, so it simply means there is going to be a space from there. When you look at
All
everything,
yes
this is the margin for the whole of the page, but the normal one
of the
is
years
2.5. You get.
should be just
I can also
yes.
use the ruler to
Yes.
set margin for a particular line. Are you getting it? This one
Okay.
will always
Okay.
move for where my cursor. This is my cursor. Do you remember the typing, the
Okay.
text cursor that I showed you, the mouse pointer? So you can see where it is.
Yes.
If I want to move only this, then I come to the first indent and I move it, right? But if I want to move for the whole of the page, I come here, you can see the sign, and I move for the whole of the page.
Yes.
I hope you understand
Okay.
that.
Yes, sir.
Any other person asking any question? Do we have any question before we call it a day?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, can you hear me?
Very well. I can hear you loud and clear.
Hello.
Go ahead, please. I can hear you.
Okay, sir. So I think the yours faithfully should be at the left side.
All right. Wherever you want us to put it, I'm fine.
I said I think the yours faithfully should
That's what I'm
be
saying. I'm cool
okay.
anywhere.
It
This is
can be
not,
either at the right side or at the left side.
you know me, I don't understand.
Anyhow you wish to write your application, you can put it anywhere you like,
Okay.
but the right place is the right hand side. That's where I normally see the yours faithfully.
So you
Okay.
want it to be like this. Are you okay with
Okay.
this?
Mm.
Are you okay with
Mm.
this? No, anywhere you want it to be. So,
No.
but my point
Hey,
is,
just like that.
so you are okay now, you're happy, Abby. So, but my point is get the major things, right? They will ask you to describe
Okay.
in the exam, describe. Those are the kind of questions they will give you. Highlight, illustrate,
Okay.
state. Those are the kind of things you should be expecting during your exams. Do you understand
Okay.
that? So once you have those kind
Mhm.
of words, they want you to state categorically. And this thing is
Hello,
procedural
sir.
and it is systematic. Are you getting it?
Okay.
So you state how you can achieve it. All right. So who is speaking?
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, sir. Can we also get the notes to the shortcuts?
Okay, let me attend to Mrs. Jimon. Mrs. Jimon, you asked if you can get steps on how you can write a formal letter. I can I can boldly tell you that there is no step on how to write a formal letter. Are you getting it? Like I said, that left to me, I will type first. Then after typing, I will apply my formatting features. Someone might decide to be applying it as he or she is typing. There is no correct way. So there is no definite step, right? The reason I decided to make a formal letter is because some of the features we have talked about, it will enable me to type them one after the other. That's why I chose to give you a formal letter steps. I gave you description on how you can do a formal letter. So, but there is no definite step on how to do what. All you need to do is to learn the features, learn what left alignment is doing, learn what center alignment is doing, learn what right, learn what the ruler is meant for, and practice so that in your exam, whichever way the question comes, you can reply. So there is no definite step or that number one, you type this, number two, no, there is no step. So it is what you do that will determine how you can answer the question. I hope that answers your question. Yes, any other question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we get all this in the module?
Well, in the Moodle, I think they only talked about the features, and it's actually thought about. It only talked about the features. It did not state how you can use it to write a formal letter. But you can see some of these features in the Moodle, right? You
Okay.
see
Okay,
a
sir.
bit of varieties. Like it's going to be varies because what you have in the Moodle is way back outdated, right? Some of them use
Sir, come
Office
again, please, sir.
98, Office 98. I'm using Office 2007 or thereabout. So I think Office 2003
Okay.
and the likes. Some of these features, for example, in Office 2000 or 2000 and
Not
whatever,
the same features. It's
you
the
you have the file
2007.
menu, you have the edit menu, you have the view menu, you have the whatever. Unlike this one that you're having tab.
Okay,
Okay. Yes. Lest I forgot.
okay, sir.
When you are writing your exam and they ask you to list the steps on how to achieve a particular thing, uh,
Okay.
it's very, very important for you to state that using a particular version of Microsoft Word, you have to state it there that using this version of Microsoft
Okay.
Word, you get, so that they will know that this is the version
Okay.
you are using. Because how to do the same thing in Office 2003 is different from how to do the same thing in Office 2007. So you will state that using 2016, for example, I will go to the tab menu. I will click on this. I will click on that. Are you getting it? So
Okay.
if it is this one that you are using,
Okay.
Office 2007, you say using Microsoft Office Word 2007, then you state the step on how you can achieve. So
Okay.
in the course of our class,
Okay.
we are going to learn how to use the print command too, because it's one of the questions they do ask, that you should state the step on how you can print a document. I'm giving you an idea of some questions they ask you, and also they can ask you to, they can give you a particular file. They will tell you the file is saved on the desktop, that you should save a copy in a folder called My Documents. Are you getting it? You should
Hello,
know
sir. Can you hear me now?
very well, loud and clear.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. You can use the chat
He
window
said
too.
yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, as regarded to what you're just giving us as a practical class, can you also please, sir, send the test in written, like a note to us?
I cannot do a note for you. That's what I'm saying. All these things I'm teaching you, I'm seeing the pictures from your model. All these pictures.
I know.
So hold on. And these pictures that you have in your model, I'm bringing it out to do practical for you. That's why I'm doing all of these things for you, so that you can know how they work and what they are
Okay.
used for. So I cannot tell you categorically that
Okay.
bold is used to make the text big. If I don't show you here that bold, when you click on bold, this is how your text is going to look. And you are still asking me that I should give
Yes.
you explanation. You have all of this
No,
in your model.
because during this first class, hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Because during the first class, you sent some notes at the end, of which I saw on the general platform.
No, that is not a no. It's as a result of what we like, something like this. Let me show you. Like this. This is our objective for today. I define file extension, right? I also talked about the scroll bar, which I think I have removed some of them, right? Today we talked about the title bar, we talked about the menu bar, we talked about what is it called, the formatting toolbar, and the rest of them.
That means you just screen them.
We're having a lecture, and you are expected to follow along, right? You can screenshot. You can okay. Let me copy
Of
this.
my letter.
All right, let me copy this and post on the chat window, so everybody can get
Better.
it. Let me put this on the chat window. So it's as a result of what
Okay.
we got from what we arrived from this class. It's not as if I made a special note. Are you getting it? So
Yes,
just
sir.
like
Okay,
what
sir.
I can do on the blackboard. Let's say we are together now, and I write it on the board for you. You can easily copy, Abby. So you should also be doing that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you should also be doing that. So it's just that I have it in a soft copy, so I can copy and paste. That's why I have it. So don't worry. As far as we have this class, as often as we have it, I will try to be typing most of the things I'm talking about, so that you can also have it as a soft copy.
Sir, that is better. That is better, sir.
Okay, please remind me. I can be doing that. So having said that,
Yes, sir.
any other question before we end the class officially? All right. In the absence of that, I'm going to call the class to an end for today. And I hope we do have a lovely week ahead. We are still eating into the week. And please ensure you keep safe. I pray that we will not,
Hello, sir.
be involved in
Hello.
all this pandemic of a thing that is happening in our country, in Jesus' name.
There's a question you've not
So please,
Hello,
everyone,
sir.
please, I'll meet you
Hello.
in the next class. We are closing the class already. And if you have any complaint, or you have anything to say, you have any problem, you want me to also spend some time with you, you can private chat me on WhatsApp. You all have my contact. So private chat me on WhatsApp. We'll discuss on how we can.
Sorry. Sorry, sir. I didn't have your contact.
Yeah, I
Sorry,
posted something
sorry.
on WhatsApp.
You asked the
Hello,
general
sir.
this thing. Maybe you
Hello.
asked Biola.
I'm on the general group.
Okay.
I posted something few minutes
Okay.
before the class, so go and check and you private chat me if you have anything. If you want me to have a makeup class with you. But as far as I'm concerned, this class is over for today. And for the attendance, I will get across to you on how we are going to take the attendance. Do have a nice time.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We appreciate.
Okay.